Hi guys, it's Matt here. I just came back from school and we're making slime. So we're doing an experiment. So I opened gum today when I was in the car. And it was like all like stretched and like there's like a white spot here. Ew. So I didn't want to eat it. And then I thought of a video to make slime with this. Nope, not only with gum, with shaving cream, right? Here's the shaving cream, here's that, and here's the little like gum. Yeah, you can only see a little bit. But yeah, first if you want to do this then, okay. Got all the things you need. Pause this video if you want to do this with me. Okay. So first, you add your glue in. I'm gonna add like maybe like 3 drops. It's going so slow. Okay, that's enough. Wait. Actually, that's it. That's it. Okay. I don't know. Hey, I just noticed right now. Red shirt, red glue. Oh my god. Oh my god, I have no pants. I only have a little bit of activator. I knew I was forgetting something. God, I forgot a lot of stuff. I forgot teaspoon. Okay, let me get those. Ow. Let me get those items. It'll take like 1 minute. Hi, Mom. You making bacon? Yeah. Make sure to give me some. I love bacon. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Okay. Knock on the door when you're giving it to me. Okay. Okay. Oh my god. I almost just licked the cup. Oh my god. That could have been bad. Then I would be like, okay, I'm gonna stop playing around. Actually, pour some activator. I have enough. Okay. I don't think it's gonna. How did I do this? Oh my god, I don't think it's forming. No! Please form. Yep. Yep. Is it forming? Please form. Form. Okay, wait. Okay. Oh my god. I have to scrape it. Ugh. Let me touch it. Oh, I do not think it's forming. Okay, first. Oh my god. It feels so old. Ew. I'm gonna put little baby. Little baby. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. I'm not using all this. I don't know what I'm going to do with the other pieces after this. I just don't know. I think it's gonna scent it. And make it like very hard to like move. But maybe I'll take it out. Then it might be scented after that. Still might be scented. Okay. Come on. Oh my god. There's actually slime on it. Okay, I want you to have a look. Here it is. Okay. So first, okay. Ooh. Oh, ew, ew. I think it's actually forming. Look at it. So pretty. Oh my god, it's like Orbeez. They leave like excess. I think I might have added too much activator. Ooh. Oh. Ooh, doo doo doo. I'm gonna touch it. Touch it. Ew. I think I might need to put more activator, but just a little bit. I'm gonna do wipe. Oh. I have a napkin right here. Oh my god, now my hand feels so sticky. Okay, just a drop. I just need a drop. Okay, I think I fixed it. Yeah, I fixed it. I fixed it. Yes! Oh my god, all the gum is coming out. Oh my god. I want you to see this. Look. The gum literally just came out. Oh my god. I feel something. I feel something on my hands. I don't know what it is. I don't like it. Okay, now some shaving cream. Am I doing it? Oh, here we go. How do you? Ah, here we go. There. Oh my god, I just got activator on my arm. Ew. Good thing I'm taking a bath. Look at it. Oh, look at it. Ooh. Now it's gonna make it like a peachy color. Look at it. Oh my god, there's like... Hey, it smells so good. Ah, look at this. It matches with my slime. It matches with the little gum pieces. Yay. Yes, now I have a pink slime. Much better. Oh my god, look at it. It looks like cotton candy, actually. Look at it. I love this thing so much. Ah! Let me touch this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh yeah, this was what happened to my other slime. I didn't do it on camera, but yeah, it was bad. I'm trying to get the like gum pieces to like It smells disgusting. The gum didn't even like make it like smell because of the shaving cream. Oh, I should have thought about this. Oh, I can do this for a science project. The gum fell out. Oh my gosh. I should really take out that gum. But I kind of like it with the gum. Last time I did this, it was with like a slime. Like 1 year ago, I did it. Not on this channel. Look at it. Oh my god. God. Oh my god. This. Oh my god. The gum is like falling out. Look at this. Ah. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's so sticky. Look at my hands. Another one fell out now. It looks like my hands are a accordion. Oh my god, another gumball fell out. Ooh, I like this. I want to add like something in this one.
Lights off. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Look at that! I love it. I think I should really take the gum out. Come on. Sounds so satisfying. Look at this. I don't think it's ever coming off. Okay, didn't get that on my shirt. That's good. Oh my god. Come on, get off. Why can't you get off? Wait. It's okay, Mom. Oh my god! This is crazy. It's still going. Oh my god, look! Oh my god. Oh my god! I literally made a mess. Oh my god, I seriously made a mess. Oh my god, and I have a carpet. Come on, get off. Yes, yes, you're getting off. Yes, you are getting off. Come on, off. Off, please, please, get off. Off. I don't care if the string gets on me. I just need to get off one hand. Okay, I shouldn't. Oh my gosh, yes, it's gone. coming off. Oh yeah, I'm still recording. Come on. What the heck? God, it is not coming off. I need an assistant. Now you're gonna have to see my mom. Wait, I think you've already seen her once. Oh! Oh yeah. Oh my god. Get off! Off! I can't get off. Okay. Yes, yes. At least some got off. Oh my god. I need a container for this. I don't want you to see my underwear. Gonna not let you see it. Hi. God, I can't get it. Yes. Oh my god. I think I know how to get this off. Okay, like this. Then like that. Okay, I just made it worse. Wait. I kind of got it off this hand. Oh my god. I don't think I can get this off. I think this is going to be a fail video. This is kind of fun. Maybe I should make this channel into like a like science like channel. Maybe sometimes I do like, I don't know. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is taking like forever to get off. You know, I would rather be in school right now. I didn't like get home early. I just came out like a couple minutes ago. Come on. Everything off. Yes, yes. Come on. Everything off. Get everything. Everything. When I say everything, I mean everything. Everything off. Everything off, off. Get off, off. Come on. Off. Okay, first, get off. Second, please get off me. It's just like the same thing I said. Okay, pinky, finger, is clean. Come on, get off. Back is now much worse. Okay, I think I can make this work. I think I know the way. Do you know the way? Yeah, you remember that meme? Remember Knuckles? Uganda Knuckles? Yeah. That's what I'm doing right now. You know, one of my favorite things is memes. Yes, it is working. Yes, yes, yes. Oh my god, it works. It works. Oh my god. I think I did this like months ago. I don't know, but I don't think you guys know that I have a TikTok account. Ow. Oh my god, that actually hurts. That's actually pulling my skin. Oh my god. You know, I really hate this guy that I had a crush on. It's like another guy that, if my cousins are watching this, they don't know what I mean. I had a crush on this guy when I first met him, because he had red hair like me. Then, one day, guess what he did? So that day I was having a really, really bad day. A really bad day. I kept getting hurt, and I was just crying all day. Until that happened. Until I heard a knock. It was Joaquin, which is my friend, Jacob, and that was it. And they were like, "Do you want to play?" And I was like, "Yeah, sure." God, the gum is like stuck on my carpet. And then I got dressed and went outside. But then, little did I know, they were going to get revenge on me. Because guess what? That gingerhead boy, guess what he said to all of them? Oh, Max said the F word to me. We need to get revenge on her and put her in Joaquin's fridge. Yeah, that's what they actually did. So I came out, and they were all running out of the bushes. And then, like, I was running for my life. Now, I'm not done yet. I'm still trying to get this slime. 5. Okay.
Minutes.
Okay, fine. Oh my god. Okay, this video is actually long. Okay, so I was running for my life, and then I have to get this off really fast because my mom said 5 minutes, and I still got no progress. Well, I kind of do, but seriously. Come So I was running, and then Ginger Lucas, well, that's his name, ginger-haired boy, I'm gonna call him. I don't even want to call him by his name. You know, I shouldn't even publish this video. Oh my god, because I said that. He's gonna find it on the internet. Oh yeah, he has KiddyTube. I don't know why he has. No, he can still find me. I think he's gonna find me. What do you guys think? I shouldn't even publish this. I feel like I should just give up. I have 3 more minutes left of this video. Okay, I am actually making progress right this second. Please. Oh. Get off. Hey, which Aladdin do you like best? Number 1, Aladdin. Number 2, Aladdin Jafar Returns. Or number 3, Aladdin the King of Thieves. My personal favorite is Aladdin the King of Thieves, which is number 3. Oh my gosh, I think this is like getting all the hair off my body. Ow, oh my god, I think it actually is. No, it isn't. Okay. Oh my gosh. I have 2 more minutes of this video. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to stick with this slime. But I actually need to get the rest in here. There is more in here. I'm not done yet. I don't know who that was. I think that was my brother. Okay. Come on. Come on, little slimy. Slimy. Little slimy. Okay. Oh my god. I have 1 more minute left of this video. I gotta be quick. Or this video is gonna be 3 minutes long. I mean, 30 minutes. 30 minutes long video. Oh my god. And the most famous popular YouTubers' videos are like 3 minutes long. And like, mine are like 50. One video I did was like 60 minutes. But you might think it was a live stream, but I never did a live stream before. I really want to do a live stream one time, one day. Yeah, one day is good. Oh my god, it is past. I'm supposed to be eating my BLT instead of this stupid. Okay. Oh my god. All of the gum is out. And you know what that means. No gum in the slime. Sorry. It just is not capable of it. I don't know where I should put this. I just don't know. I don't know. I'm just... god, this video is 30 minutes long now. Great. Okay, I have a better idea. Let's just, you know, roll it. You see me rolling. Patrolling. I don't know why I'm so creepy. Sometimes my friends say I'm really creepy. And like they're like, you're creepy. Stop acting so creepy. Not done yet. I'm really sorry, but I'm not done yet. My turn. Okay.
Right now, you can do part 2.
No. No, part 2. That might be actually a good idea, but still. Not gonna waste my videos on that. I just want to make another video. Right after this, I want to make another video while I'm eating. Which is gonna be like, okay. Hi guys. And like, and voila. I finally finished. Because I don't know what to put it in. I'm just gonna put in this plastic. It's literally gum slime. First, we do this. I don't know what that was. And I have proof I made the like slime in here. The other shaving cream slime. See that? That's kind of part of the slime. Oh my god, I probably have slime everywhere. God, I just can't. I'm gonna get all the excess off me. I can do that. Okay. Bye guys. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like, maybe subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And until then, bye guys, and make sure when your slime's sticking to your hands, do this. Bye bye. I'm a creepy weirdo.